It's Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to take night shot photos on your Motorola phone. So let's go to the camera option right here. And there's two different ways we can do this. So if we go back to the normal photo mode, on the top you can see there's an option for night mode. We can select this and it will say auto night vision turned on. So there's an option in the top right. Otherwise we can swipe all the way to the right to more. And there should be an option for night vision under here as well. And this will allow us to take better photos at night, and it'll optimize the shot specifically for that. So look for night mode or night vision somewhere under here. Now if you've got a different version, you can go up to settings and see if there's a night vision setting under settings as well, which on my Motorola phone for Android 14 I do not see anything under here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.